Welcome learners for the lecture 13 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about this linear transformation and matrices for theorem depending on the vector spaces of the value. Okay, let us go started as the theorem. That is a let V and W be the vector spaces and let T considered to the value of a V tends to W be the linear. This value will be generated as a linear. If V is a finite dimension, then nullity will be shown, that is a T plus a rank T equals to consider as a dimension V. This is called as a dimension theorem. Okay, this is a most important theorem as a topic wise for to show that the nullity plus rank is a considered as a dimension of this form. Okay, hence it is called as a dimension theorem. Let us go started. What is the proof of this theorem? Suppose that dimension V equals to consider as a n and dimension nt means a nullity will be shown, that is a k, and v1 v2 to vk is the basis of for the nullity of a t. Then corollary will be uses to the extent of this value, that is a v1 to k will be generated because nullity will be shown only to the k value, not generated as a n1 to nt, and beta consider as a v1 to k value for the v. We claim that s equals to consider as a t k vk plus 1 t vk plus 2 generated as a value of a t vn. What is t vn for the generating value? Dimension v, because last position how to show this value, that is a dimension theorem of this value for the rt. Then s generate to the rt, in fact that a tvi equals to 0 for getting to the value started as a 1 to k. I will be generating, sometime will be used as a equals to or less than or equals to value will be generated. Then rt equals to span of a t generating v1 t v2 to t vn. Then a span of a t v1. What is t v1? T considering as a value vk plus 1 t vk plus 2 or t vn for the span s applied to the formula. Then prove that S is a linearly independent. Suppose we given to the value, that is the summation generated. First is a k plus 1, I equals to k plus 1 to n, bi t v1 equals to 0 for value will be generated to the span of this value. This is called as a basis and this is called as a linear transformation of the vector space equals to 0. What is the formula of this linearly independent form? That is summation I equals to k plus 1. What is k plus 1? K plus 1 is the starting point 1 to generated to the value of a k plus 1 for the basis of their value to n. Nullity will be shown, that is the basis of this part bi considering, because I equals to k plus 1 started t v1 equals to 0 for generating to the value b k plus 1 b k plus 2 to bn is a function of this value. Okay, using the t is a linear, then generated to the formula t summation, this formula applied to the t for using to the linear equals to 0, so that t considering to this value for the nt is a nullity of the space, then apply to the value, that is the exist of the value c1 to ck for the function of this value. Then formula will be generated to the formula summation I equals to k plus 1 to n bi vi equals to same as the formula apply, or we uses that is a bi is considering as a minus ci for basis of this value will be generated to the form. How to apply this value for the nullity? Bis changes to the ci and this part will be considering to the left hand side, then generated to the part that is a minus ci, because this value will be changes to the form minus ci, another part equals to addition will be generated equals to 0. Then put up to the value, since beta is the basis of a v and we have bi equals to 0 for all I, hence s is a linearly independent form. This is the argument show that 2 considering to the value, that is a t vk plus 1 t vk plus 2 to v t considering as a vn are a distinct. Therefore rank of a t equals to n minus k for the nullity of their value. Same as a 1 to 1 ranges or the nullity will be shown to the part of the function. This theorem will be applied to the part. Let v and w be the vector spaces and let t considering v2 w be the linear, then t is a 1 to 1 if and only if nt equals to 0 will be generated to the value. Okay, what will be show v and w be the vector spaces and t considering to the value is a linear, then t show at the one to one form of the function. This will be depending on the value, that is a one to one form for the linear value. Same as rotated is form. Suppose t considering as a one to one and x is an elements of a nt, then tx equals to 0 considering as a x value considering as a 0 t0. Since t considering as a one to one, we have generated x equals to 0, hence nullity considering as a 0. Now we assume that to this value of the function, that is a n2 equals to 0, and tx equals to ty will be generated in a left hand side as well as right hand side. You know that tx equals to 0 will be considering, put up to the value, that is a tx minus ty equals to generated as a value equals to 0, means a t considering as a x minus y. Apply by the property when uses this left hand side as well as right hand side. Therefore x minus y is an elements of a nt equals to 0, so x minus y equals to 0, that is x considering equals to y when applied to the rule of this reverse position. Hence t is considering as a one to one form of this value. Hence t is considering as a one to one form of the value. Next topic will be generated, that is the matrix representation of a linear transformation. Matrix representation of linear transformation. First of all, we discuss about the linear transformation. This will be show that the matrix depend on the linear transformation. What is the definition? Let V be the finite dimension vector and order basis for the V is a basis for a V endowed with a specific order, so that to the basis V is the finite sequence of a linearly independent vector in a V that generated. What we will say, that is a V is a finite dimensional vector space. They getting as an order of a basis for a V is the basis for the V in balance to the specific order. V is a finite sequence considering as a linearly independent vectors in a V generated to the value of a V. Okay, both of these value in a finite dimensional system considering to the form. They also represented that let beta equals to u1 to un be the order of a basis in a finite vector V. Then x is an element of V. Let consider to the value a1 to n being the unit scalar function, that such that x value will be generated to the part, that is a vector field summation I equals to k plus 1 to the n ai ui will be generated. Ai value will be generated 1 to n and ui will be generated 1 to n for the basis of this value. Okay, put up to the formula that will be generating value, we decide the coordinate vector of a x relative to beta. They generated x beta by x beta equals to a1 a2 to n will be generated. Notice that ui beta equals to ei in the preceding definition is generated to the form, then transformation will be, then corresponding transformation will be generated, x tends to x beta provide us with the linear transformation in considering and the matrix form of the function